The balance between being a challenge and pushing your ex away. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Cormont and I'm your relationship expert. In today's video, I want to answer this question that I received by email because you know my philosophy. I'm always asking you to come back as a challenge. So this girl sent me an email and asked me, Alex, what is the difference between being a challenge and pushing your ex away? I want to make sure that I will not do any mistake. Thank you so much for this email because it's really important in my philosophy and with all the people that I've helped so far. If you want to be sure that you will be a challenge and not pushing your ex away, it's a simple answer. You need to do the job for you. What do I mean exactly? I've coached so many people and they were able to get back with their ex because they came back as a challenge. Someone new, someone who has changed your life, someone who has just changed their mindset. And to the opposite, people that are pushing their ex away, it's because they are not changing for themselves. They are just playing a game. Listen to that. If you're just playing a game, your ex will be mad. Your ex will be angry because he knows or she knows that you're just playing a game, that you're not changing for becoming the best version of yourself. To the opposite, being a challenge just means that today you're rebuilding your life and your life would be better than your ex life. Maybe you're going to the gym. Maybe you changed your look. Maybe you socialize. Maybe you're having new projects. Maybe you're traveling. Maybe you're just doing new activities that can show your ex that your life is amazing. This is being a natural challenge. And if you're watching our videos today, the mistake that you're doing so far, it's being a challenge with anger, being a challenge talking down to your ex, being the challenge by just playing a game. You will push your ex away just because he or she is mad at you, because you were disrespectful, and because you just play a game. And when they test you, you cannot respond to their test because you're not feeling confident. So, the reality of your situation, it's really important to do the actions, going to the gym, doing yoga and meditation, having new activities, socialize, and set some professional goals. It's really important for you to understand that you need to act, you need to be strong, you need to give everything that you have, all the power within yourself in these actions. Because then you don't have to be a challenge. You will naturally be a challenge. People who want to be a challenge, most of the time, they do something that they will regret. And this is where you push your ex away because you didn't change for real. So you're just playing a game. And because you're just playing a game, then your ex will not give you some attention. And this is not okay. So this is why you need to be careful, guys. Because when you do something wrong that you will regret, you're pushing your ex away. When you do something good for you, even if your ex is mad, why did you do these actions now and not before when we were in a relationship? I've heard this sentence a lot. Why now and not before? If you have a simple answer and said, I just learned. I just grow with the breakup. And now I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling myself. Your ex cannot move away. Your ex cannot think that you're guilty for everything that you're doing today. You're just the best version of yourself. So it works. It works very well. To be honest, maybe 90% of my coaching, I'm using this being a challenge naturally as a technique to get back with the one you love. And it works very well. If you have any question, you can leave a comment just right below. You can give me a like and subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. Every single day you have a video to change your love and your personal life because everything is to empower yourself. Everything that we are doing here today, it's for you, not just for your ex, not just to get back with the one you love, but really for you. So I will see you soon for a new video. Now, if you want to go further, if you want to be a challenge, if you want to get back with the one you love, come on withmyexagain.com/coaching. You can book a private session with me. Together, we can become the challenge naturally. We can be that person that your ex will regret. We can work together on it in just one session. One session, guys, can change your life. I will see you soon for a new video, and I encourage you to become the best version of yourself. I will see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.